Good evening. So today we're going to do problems on surface areas and volumes. Previous class we found volumes of spheres, shapes like cylinder, sphere, cone, etc. But this exercise is going to be a combination of solids where the same object will have a cylinder on top and hemisphere on bottom. Like that, two or more shapes can be combined, or one object is changed into another object. Like that, conversion also will be same. And this comes under the heading volume of combination of solids, and we'll be discussing these questions here today. Okay, the first question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So let me first draw the diagram. There is a big sphere whose radius is going to be 4.2 centimeter. Okay, this is melted and recast into a cylinder. We know the radius of the cylinder, that is going to be 6 centimeter, but we are not knowing the height here. So we need to find out what is the height. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. The formula we use for volume of sphere is going to be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here the volume of cylinder is going to be pi r square h. Here the radius denotes the radius of the cylinder, and here the radius denotes the radius of the sphere. So it's going to be 4 by 3 pi into radius is going to be 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 is equivalent to pi into the radius is 6 into 6 into h. So at this point, we can cancel out the pi on both sides, and h is going to be equivalent to 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by the 6, whichever which was by the side of the h will come to the denominator, so 6 into 6. Now if you cancel this is going to be 7 times, so it is zero point 0.7. This is one more 0.7. 4.2 can be further divided by 3, so it's going to be 1.4. 1.4. So if you just multiply all these things, 4 into 0 0.7 into 0 0.7 into 1.4. 7 into 7 is 49. So 4 into 0 0.9. 0.49 into 1.4, or 0.49 into 1615.6. So 49 into 56. 54, 5, 6 4s are 24, 29, 45, 4, 5 4s are 20, and 24. So it's going to be 727. So it is equal to 2744. Since there are three numbers after the decimal point, so we are going to place it here. And the question, all the data was given in centimeters. Yes, centimeter. And therefore the height is also going to be in centimeters. So the height we have found out 2.744 centimeter. Okay. The next question is going to be the metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Okay. Three small spheres are going to be converted into one big sphere. Okay. So the small spheres are three smaller spheres, one, 2, and 3. These are going to be combined into a big, huge sphere. The radius of the first figure is going to be 6 centimeter. Then the second one is going to be 8 centimeter. Third one is 10 centimeter. Okay, these are going to be merged into a big sphere, and the radius of the sphere is what we are supposed to find out. Let me have this as R. Okay, the volume of the sphere for each of this volume of sphere 1, 2, and 3 together is equivalent to volume of the bigger sphere. Okay, so the formula is going to be 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r cube is equivalent to 4 by 3 pi r cube and no suffix. Okay, so from all this I can take out a 4 by 3 pi common. So it is going to be r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equivalent to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So instead of just substituting and multiplying, if you just take this common out and cancel it, things will become much easier. So it's going to be 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equivalent to r cube. 6 cube is going to be 216. 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6 is 216. And 8 cube is going to be 64. 64 into 8 will be 512 plus 1000 is equal to this. So now r cube is equivalent to, just add up everything, 8, 2, and here it is 17. So this is a very familiar number. If you can do it directly, or else go for prime factorization and find the cube root. So 17 to 8, 2 times 8, 6, and 4. 2 times 4, 3, and 2. 2 times 2, 1, and 6. 2 times 1, 0, and 8. 2 times 54. 2 times 27. 2 times, no, 27 is not possible by 2. So 3 times 9, 3, and 3. So the cube root is going to be 2, 2, and one more 3. So r cube is equivalent to 2 into 3, that is not r cube, r is equivalent to 12. So this 12 centimeters, the given unit was all centimeters, so r is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, understood? Thank you.